Hi guys, how are you? Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Natalia. I'm a singer and a vocal coach, and I would love to share with you how to gain that beautiful vibrato without forcing and doing it on expense of your vocal cords. So if you want to learn, please keep on watching. So first of all, what is vibrato? So vibrato is something I use tons as an opera singer, but also in pop or musical theater. But it's a choice that I make for myself to kind of free my voice and kind of expand the sound more and free the sound. But the kind of technical term is a slight pitch bend, where you singing a certain note and you go to half step down, and you kind of alternate between those two and you create that flow. For me, it's very hard to teach vibrato if you are a beginner singer, because vibrato happens as a result when you have great breath support. You know your technique, you know the basics of technique, and you feel control over your voice and your diaphragm and your breath support and all those things, and they're functioning together. And then you allow yourself to free yourself into it, which allows your vocal cords to kind of vibrate it faster and create that vibrato for yourself. So if you're feeling you're not there yet, so it's okay, because it takes time to master. There's a lot of steps to go through before you can do that vibrato, because if you're doing vibrato not correctly, you can create yourself major damage. So you don't want to do that. So if you feel you don't really understand, you feel like, oh, you're running out of breath, you're really not singing in a pitch, you feel like, you're not there yet, so stop this video, go back to my first videos where I talk about breath support, where I talk about how to sing in pitch, all those elements that we talk about before going into this video. Okay, so the first thing you do when you want to create vibrato, I want you to just take one note, ooh, and what I do, I sing ooh, and I want you to sing half step lower. So take your hand like with me, and when we want to bend it half step lower, we're going to bend our hand with the sound. So let's sing. Ooh. And you just go through the scale until it feels comfortable. Let's go a step higher. Ooh. And there's a reason why I do it with my hand, because it really helps you to see what you're doing and kind of free your voice by really letting your hand just kind of flow. And some of my students like to kind of shake themselves or jump and kind of do this motion to really free themselves and not straining your voice, because vibrato not going to happen if you're going to strain your voice or you're going to strain your body or do some muscle pressure. It's not going to work. It really comes as a result of freeing your voice, but with a lot of breath support and all those things that we talk about. So strong body and free muscles here. Okay, everything is really very free. So let's go a step higher. Ooh. And then you can go to different vowels like ah. Now, the most important thing when you are actually singing in a song, I encourage you, when you hitting that note, don't go straight away to vibrato. Okay, get to that note on the best possible way. Okay, don't shout it, don't over scream it, don't overdo it. Just get there, sit on it a little bit, like 2 seconds, and then create the vibrato. Usually vibratos are the most effective when they're towards the end of the of that phrase, of that pitch, because it really adds that extra something. If you hear a lot of singers do vibrato all the time, every note on every single high pitch, it doesn't work. It doesn't sound good. You want to use your vibrato very carefully. You don't want to overdo it, and you don't want to use less of it. It's kind of like finding that balance. So find yourself and really see on your song what it serves you, and also it's just fun. Make it fun. Don't make it like, I'm gonna make that vibrato. It's not gonna happen. Told you. Everything comes from freedom, from letting go, not forcing it, not wanting it. Just get the intention. Do what you need to do in terms of your breath support and having a strong body and super relaxed throat, what we call open throat, and just allowing yourself to free kind of your voice. So I hope you guys I helped you with this kind of quick tip. If you find this helpful, please like this video. I would really appreciate it, and if you can also subscribe so you can get every single week a video from me and a new tip to how make yourself a better singer, artist, and a performer. And please visit on my social media. Everything is linked down below. And if you like this video, please also share it. Don't be shy. It's okay. I won't bite. And hope I'll see you next video, because I have amazing surprises waiting for you. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.